Let's talk Druid. Power BI doesn't speak JDBC. Yeah, that's a problem if you're using Druid. Here's what nobody tells you about connecting Druid to Power BI. Microsoft built their entire connector architecture around ODBC. Not JDBC, not REST APIs, ODBC. So while your Druid cluster is crushing real-time analytics, your business users are stuck exploiting CSVs like it's 2010. Our Druid ODBC driver fixes this in about 3 minutes. Native SQL pushdown, so your aggregations happen in Druid, not Power BI. Your 50 million row dataset, still sub-second response times. No custom Python scripts, no middleware, just a driver that actually works. And yes, you can use DirectQuery. Choose ODBC, pick the Druid DSN, then in the connection dialog select DirectQuery instead of import. This keeps your model thin and pushes queries to Druid for live results. Each interaction becomes a live query. You can confirm pushdown by checking view native query where available or by watching timings and performance analyzer. The work happens in Druid, which is exactly what you want. For the Power BI service, use an on-premises data gateway with the same DSN. Keep DSN names consistent between desktop and the gateway so DirectQuery works after publish. Result: real-time Druid performance inside Power BI, no brittle glue code, and a driver that respects how both systems are built. See your Druid data in Power BI today.